In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Temu payment not working. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try toggling between the two. If that is not the case, you want to double check your card details, your expiry, your CVV, and your billing address. Always make sure that you have enough available balance on your card in order to go ahead and make any kind of purchase. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and try another payment method, maybe PayPal or something else. And if it still doesn't work, you might need to check if the application has any pending updates. Simply go ahead and update your application. And if that also doesn't work and you're on an Android device, you want to simply go to your settings and then apps, Temu, and storage and clear cache. Always make sure that your Temu servers are not down by going to status.temu.com, or if not, you can simply contact your bank or even Temu Support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.